Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. Welcome back to the only channel that lets you choose the trades. Come watch me lose money, sometimes make money. Let's get into the charts. We have the poll going. Vote. Should we go long or short? I will take those trades live based on the results. It's worked out pretty well, actually. We've done this a few times, but today is the day to do it. Make sure to subscribe, smash the likes, share the stream. You guys know what to do. It's good to be back. I hope you all had a wonderful, wonderful weekend. I went tubing again, and then I broke Twitter. That's right. I don't want to spend time on it, but might as well show you guys really quick because a lot of people are mad. Here we go. There it is. I broke Twitter. I will give 0.1 Bitcoin, $3,000 to anyone that comments and gets no likes. This started out as a shit post, as it even is still a shit post, but everyone took it way too seriously. It has 6,000 comments. It's still going. It won't stop. I've made a mistake. Help me, Elon. Anyway, let's get into the corn. Let's get into the charts. Let me pull up the chat here. Basically, I'm going to be doing some analysis. I'm going to be viewing the chart, breaking it down, trying to find the entries to make your guys' decisions work. It ain't easy, baby. It ain't easy if it not cheesy. Rude AF, I know. People are mad. It's wild to me. I don't want to rant about this. I could rant all day about it. But it's wild to me how many people are mad as if, like, they had to pay me or something. Like, they put, like, one character replying. Like, what do you mean I don't get $3,000? This guy isn't going to give 6,000 people thousands of dollars. Sorry, guys. I don't have that much money. But I did update the terms. So if you're sitting there waiting on it, the winner will be chosen by July 10th. 3023. Make sure you have notifications on and you're following, because once the winners are announced, there'll be a small time window to claim your prize. So 1,000 years. A lot of people thought it was funny, and that's what matters. It was funny. I'm sorry if I offended anybody. Is what it is. So we got the poll going. We have 120 votes, so it does look like we're going to be going long early. I made this one not a lot of votes so we could get a trade going. Let's pull up. We're going to be trading on Fairdesk today. Our sponsor, link in the video description below. It's in tomcrown.io, pinned to the top of the chat, as well as BMix. Two great exchanges, guys. Sign up using my link for some sweet bonuses. If you're trading anyway, it's the places. They're the places to trade. I've been trading on both of them for a long time. Trust them as far as I can trust centralized exchanges. So, where is this? Okay, pulling it up. Let's see what trades we still have open. Look at this. We have like a nightmare of trades. We had one sweet one. Did it fill? It did fill on that wick. Nice. We placed this on Friday down at 30.233. It does look like it traded down to like 30.17. So that long is in the money, baby. We got a bunch of positions open. Small long up 3%. Small short down 5. Small long up 2. Short down 11, and then big old long up about 100% here for $1,000 gain. We're net, I don't know, maybe $1,000 or something, but we're going to be slapping some more trades on today. Let me close that poll. We're going to start another one because we want to get a bunch of them. Last time we set our targets too high. Maker might be breaking out right now. Next Bitcoin, it's got to be in all caps or it's not right. Bitcoin trade. Let's say 150 votes. 1 long, 0 short. Let's go. Put that in the chat. 150 votes, and we'll put another one. So let me get a little acquainted with the chart here. I do like what Bitcoin's doing. I'm liking this vibe this morning. Let's take a peek here. This is actually CoinGlass's super chart, which I probably never would have used, but I actually kind of like it. It has some interesting indicators that you don't get on TradingView, like open interest, funding rate, CVD, aggregated liquidations. So what I'm liking here and why I'm feeling actually pretty comfortable potentially taking a long. So we saw price rally to 31.2 just about an hour ago, and combined we saw IO, or open interest, increase. This is showing demand. This is showing this is not likely a short squeeze, despite we saw lots of shorts close. So we are giving some signal that's a short squeeze. I don't usually trust pumps that come from squeezes, whether they're up or down, pumps or dumps. Typically, they do return to where they started, kind of back to an equilibrium. But we saw lots of shorts close, but total open interest climb. So traders, at least using this metric, are agreeing on this rally. So I'm feeling pretty good about it. The entry is going to be harder. I'm not sure where I'm going to place this entry. It's definitely going to be harder. That wick off of the 31K hit down to 30.8, definitely kind of taking off the table some of those potential long entries. Let me real quick kind of go through MarketCipher. Love MarketCipher. Link in the video description below. I'm going to throw Lux Algo on here and see if it gives me anything. Gives me any bad boys. Right. I think I can see a tight stop loss here. 5 minute looking for a downtrend. 1 minute looking for an uptrend. 15 minute in an uptrend. 30 minute. 30 minute. Too bad. Hold on, guys. Hold on. I'm just waking up too. 30 minute nice uptrend. Hourly. You do see some weakness there on the money flow and the RSI. You can clearly see some bearish divergence here with your RSI getting higher than your previous high. Also, MarketCipher B not showing us a higher high in money flow. I don't love that. I don't love that. Volume is up and VWAP is up, so those are kind of two good factors. 2 hour hitting a higher high. I like that. All right, I feel pretty good here with this. I think what I'm going to do is take a really cheesy long. We're going to aim. See if we can find something. Going to get a lot of luck here, though. What about the 4 hour? Not going to get a lot of luck. The long would have been like right before we went live. You have this consolidation range right here. Maybe even a potential diamond pattern. Let's get rid of Lux Algo for 1 second. Check out Lux Algo. They make hundreds of indicators. Really great company. They do not sponsor me, but they're great. Kind of a diamond-y pattern playing out here. Typically that's seen as a reversal. However, not seeing a reversal yet. This doesn't really look right either. If we look at this diamond, it's kind of deformed. I don't think that this is played out. If this high doesn't break the diamond high, we are likely to see something like this play out with lower highs, higher lows. And a diamond does typically signal for reversal. So we might look for a play to the downside, though I'm not seeing that quite yet. Not seeing that quite yet on my indicators. So let's see. I mean, I think the smartest play would be kind of targeting this fair value gap on the 4 hour, but almost don't want to be in that trade if it hits. You know, I'd be down at like 30.7. That music's coming in hot. It's coming in real hot. My audio is way too low. Let me turn this up for you guys. My bad. Hope you could hear anything. Ooh, Edwin Geraldo, welcome. Subscribe during the live stream. You the man, Edwin. If you're out there and you haven't subscribed yet, help us grow. Help us beat Bitcoin to 100K by smashing that subscribe button right now. If you're already subscribed, make sure you've liked. Share it if you want to share it. You know how it do. You know how we do here. Ooh, this 6 hour. 6 hour holding on to a higher low. About the 12. 12 hour hitting a higher high. I like it. I'm feeling good about these longs. Let's go. I think I might make this, because it's the first one, we'll make a small trade. Make a small trade, and we'll have a tight stop on it. Kind of a strange pattern. You don't have a clearly defined anything right here. Not really solid. The entry. That's what, honestly, I get more bullish because the entry is harder. When there's easy entries, I feel like it's almost always bait. Almost always bait. Let's see if that 1 minute's coming down still. Not really. Holding on to the lows. All right. All right. All right. I think we're going to do something like maybe this. Let's target this previous low falling out of the wedge. And then we're going to have to figure out an upside target, which is not going to be easy. But that's okay. That's okay. We'll use math. We'll use math to do it. 31.4. You can see that. You can see that. Something like this. Just under 31.4. Now our risk to reward's about 5.5 with this stop loss, so I think I'm going to be a little more generous here. I don't like typically to go that deep. It's like 3.8. I like 3 to 1. I will take it something like this. Stop loss down here, just a little bit below the low. Take profit at our 1618 fib extension. That's right below 31.4. I can swing that. I can swing that. Let's place this trade. If I can find the tab, man. I got too many tabs. Too many tabs. There we go. All right, so we're going to look for right around here. Yeah, limit 31. Let's make it 31 flat. Stop down 38. 30. Let's do 37.69. Nice, just for the memes. And we're gonna start it off not so fast. There we are. Ooh, wait. Okay, that's not actually as bad as I thought. That might. Hopefully that gets filled. We'll see. There's time for more trades. We're also gonna take a look at a bunch of altcoins. There's a lot of stuff going on here. Even though Bitcoin kind of chilling, we do have some interesting alt movements. Before I jump into some of these other charts, I want to know who's here. If you're here today, put something in chat. Let us know you're here. Just throw an emoji, throw a comment. I see Alada Fajina. I like that name. Bjorn, Clicker 101, Connor Anderson, Krikio, Emis Rubovisky. Fakrul, my man, is here. Got me some. Inherent, Jack in a Crack. How you doing, bro? Jonah, plain clothes, holding it down. Moggy. How you doing, Moggy? Masosa. Rory the Rollin' Robot. I made a joke about that last stream. Sam James, Studio 388. Pickle, my man, the White Buddha. Not a huge crowd today. What's up, Caveman? I see you. Not a huge crowd today, but with your help, we probably can get that crowd a little bigger. Wolves with the check mark. I covet your check mark, my friend. I covet it. What kind of content do you make? Music? I don't know what you make. I'm looking at your channel. Shout out to you, my friend. 145k subscribers. Nice. Someday we'll get there. One by one. What's up, loading name YouTube channel? Monkey, my man. Holding it down on that tweet. Thank you. Thank you. Well, selling stacks of Bitcoin at 31, probably. What's up, Sean IDB? Patches. If you can dodge a wrench, you can dodge a ball. Oh, Houlihan. Great streams. Thank you. You know the one. I appreciate you. Leptin Flow. Crypto Poppy. Blaze it. Let's get 420 likes today, guys. I know it won't be easy because the spice meter is a little low. If we get a breakout while we're live, I think that 420 will be much more achievable. But for now, let's just do our best. Let's do our best. We'll get there. We'll get there, everybody. Let's make this bigger. We got 300-ish viewers. Keep the engagement coming. The more you engage, meaning like, subscribe, vote in the poll, share or chat as well in the chat, the more YouTube shows this live stream to new people, and that's how we grow. So it is not placebo. It really does work. So I beg you guys to continue the hype. What's up, ADA Ace Metal Markster? How you doing, man? Mr. Johannes, you're John Foster Crypto. Who else is here? Crypto Birdie, Luhan. We got a lot of good names. Sticks 98, Pepito. What's up, Max Power? Up and Run. I don't want to miss anyone. Incelli Digital, Nomadic Life, Senior Scoops, Archer, Learning, Aman Agrican, Play and Go, Left Field, Diego. I'm going to miss some. I appreciate you guys. What's up, Chris, Gary, Madcap Hat? We're about to get wrecked. That's right. 181 votes, and we're going long again. That was easy. We're going to have to up this amount of, up the amount. 181 votes. That took no time. We got to do like 250. Let's do 250. Put the poll back up. All right. How else am I going to play this one? I got to make the votes higher, else I'm never going to get into any like real analysis. All right. We have a little broader. Let's take an even broader one. I'm going to go lower on the wedge. I'm going to go lower down here for this bad boy. We're going to make this under 30.7. And then we're going to target that same value. 2 to 1, I'll take it. So 30.9. 30.9. 30.9. Here we go. 39. Stop loss. We're going to be looking this one a little lower. Like, that's pretty big stop loss. All right. Is it in? That's what she said. Is it in? I guess we already had a position at 30.9. That's okay. Wait, that does not look like it put in 30.9. Okay, maybe it did. We also placed a Litecoin long the other day. Did not fill. I believe we also opened a BCH long, which got stopped out. Rest in peace. I should have known. I'm smarter than that. All right, here's all our positions. Position management, such an important skill. Maker's still breaking out. We're going to take a peek at Maker. Gonna take a peek. Let me add an alert here to know if our trade fails while I'm looking at some other stuff. There's so many things to look at that I'm overwhelmed, fam. I'm overwhelmed. I'll be all right. There we go. Maker making some moves. This is an old chart, but it does look like it's kind of breaking through now this previous support. Previous support? Broke the support? I think we're going to have to make a new chart here really quick. That is a very old one, which is going to be very hard to look at. Let's start with our zoomed out. Let's get our major levels. Ooh, not that one. Ooh, I like this. I like this. We're on the quarter, so this is going to be very, very zoomed out. Let's go to the month. Yep, 505 looking like support. Bounced last month, now reaching to higher highs. Nice. Nice. There we go, 907. You can really see this resistance here at 907. On the month we were falling. I mean, I bet it even goes back here. It absolutely does. But we were falling on the month, settled up, had a green candle, rejected, back below, back tested, failed, tested again, hit support. Now it does look like it's breaking through. That's not bad. Not bad. You're definitely going to find some more resistance above you. But the good news is, once you get past maybe 1100, you're pretty free sailing up to nearly 2000. Now, this monthly, this is a little bit more efficient price action than we've seen on a lot of these coins fall from their highs. A lot of them we just saw pretty much straight down, leaving very inefficient, very low volume traded gaps on the chart. This monthly is a little bit of a stickler. This is a little bit more efficient. You can see price did test resistance. It did test support. So, not my favorite pick, but above 100, you are looking for maybe 1900 pretty quickly. Man, I'm getting more alerts. Are they all for Maker? No one cares. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Let's see. Let's go down to the week here real fast. Real fast. Where's my moving average? I just want the 200 weekly on there. There we go. Okay, 200 weekly. 200 weekly sitting a wee higher up here at 1300, right in that kind of more efficient zone. This is not my favorite chart. There are other altcoins I think have a lot less resistance above them. Let's throw on the fib tool. 200 weekly sitting at the 0.382 retrace 1300. Fair enough. 618 right up here at 2400. Interesting. Weekly looking to roll over. I like that. Money flow looking solid. Looking very solid. A lot of charts looking very good out of nowhere lately. I think you're going to miss bullish divergence here. Maybe have a weak bullish divergence. It's like a double bottom on RSI. It's still bullish divergence, so we'll take it. We'll take it. Let's go down to the day. Let's get rid of Ichi. Don't need Ichi. There we go. Daily rolling over with the weekly. This looks pretty good, actually. Like I like some of the things that I'm seeing. I don't love kind of that resistance, that 200 weekly right here at 1300. But it does look like 1300 is kind of on deck. We have broken. What is this? March's high is broken today. 1100 is looking very, very good, actually. Very good. I will caution people, though I do some degen trades here, I'm okay with losing that money, and I know how much money I'm going to lose. Please don't see a chart on a monthly and be like, oh, Tom says bullish, all in on leverage. Great way to get wrecked. None of this is financial advice. None of it. What it is financial, maybe education. Watch someone else fail so you don't have to. There we go. Reaching up to 1,000 right now, Maker. Hitting 1K, baby. There it is, 1,000. Boom, $1,000 Maker. Let's take it. I don't know if anyone's going to get like real hyped about that. I don't know. Are there any Maker fans out here? We still have Maker fans. Maybe. Maybe. Bitcoin chilling. Really quick, some charts I also wanted to look at. MicroStrategy and Coin for Coinbase making moves today. MicroStrategy looking very good. I think this is actually a very strong signal for Bitcoin. That upside is perhaps not that far away. The reason being is MicroStrategy is essentially a unofficial Bitcoin ETF. Now, they do have a company, I think it's marketing. I don't really know how they make revenue. But essentially, they constantly buy Bitcoin. They have a Bitcoin holding of billions of dollars, 150,000 Bitcoin. I think that makes him the second biggest holder in the world. And so what we've seen is investment institutions or investment, whatever, companies, instead of being able to buy into an ETF, they simply can buy MicroStrategy. And MicroStrategy essentially functions as an ETF, as its total market cap is really just its Bitcoin holdings. So to see MicroStrategy move up here today, breaking its August 22 high, is very, very confidence boosting. Huh. Are markets not open today? Is it a hot tomorrow? Oh no, YouTube's not getting enough. It's not getting enough video? What? Huh. Let me turn off the music. One sec. Let me turn off the music and maybe close some stuff. I don't. This is weird. This hasn't happened in a while. Rest in peace. Let's close this. Let's hope that helps. I guess tomorrow's the 4th of July. That is a holiday. Is today a holiday? Is July 3rd a holiday? Let's celebrate National Compliment Your Mirror Day. I mean, that cannot be trifled with. That's a very serious holiday. July 4th. It's closed tomorrow, but MicroStrategy is not trading right now. Why is that? Market closed at 1. Interesting. So shenanigans today is what you're saying. I'm listening. I'm hearing what you're putting down. Shenanigan day. What's really weird, just a side note. So YouTube is saying it's not getting enough data. Actually, now it says it's okay. But my streaming software isn't reflecting that. That's weird. That's odd. That means it's not from me, it's from YouTube. That just moved. No, I'm tripping. MicroStrategy looking really good. I think this is likely suggesting Bitcoin has some upside to it. It broke a major resistance. What I really like about this chart is the volume. The volume starting right here looks like February 23. You can see a clear increase in volume. Increasing volume is suggesting that traders are agreeing on price. If this rally had very little volume, it would likely not be very dependable, let's say. It would suggest that traders really don't agree on the price here. They're not interested in the price, and that it's likely to retrace. With this higher volume and higher highs, things are looking pretty good, and I think that's going to reflect on Bitcoin if it isn't already. Time will tell. Coinbase chart really fast. Let's clean this up. Coinbase chart also looking pretty good. Not quite as bullish as MicroStrategy. We're seeing it. Looks like it's trading at 80 bucks. It does have a major resistance at 83. We pinned this a while ago. We basically had a double top in March and January of this year. I like this chart above 83.91. I think you're pretty cleared for like 110 if you get there. No bearish divergence on the day yet. Things are looking okay. Let's look at this monthly quick. Not going to have any indicators because it hasn't traded long enough. But on the monthly, this chart's absolutely glorious. Look at this. Look at this. If we pull that $80 or $68 from over here, if we pull that over to the left, we see a pretty familiar pattern here. We see potentially a shoulder, a head with a lower low, and a shoulder that honestly pretty roughly the same as the left shoulder. So this could be a potential inverse head and shoulders with the neckline at 68.80. I'm being dyslexic today. People have a lot easier time looking at these when they're inverted. So here you go. The chart is upside down, and now that head and shoulders pattern looking a lot more clear, in my opinion. Basically, would be looking for a back test at 68.80. That could be potentially a very strong entry for the right trader. And then looking for a move to 111. Of course, it could go to 111 first and maybe never even go to 68. But if we do see 68, like I'm going to put an alert, that is likely a very spicy potential trade entry. All right. So there we go. Those are our stocks for today. I guess markets aren't trading. That's okay. While we wait, total crypto market cap not looking bad. Bouncing off that 200 daily, we were hoping potentially Bitcoin would. Bitcoin swerved it just a little bit. But total breaking a high here at its what looked like kind of distribution, consolidation, moved up to resistance, traded sideways. And in traditional TA or traditional markets, you usually look for a move to the downside. But in crypto, for whatever reason, I have observed very often that consolidation below resistance typically leads to a break to the upside. And the opposite is true with, say, I don't know, let's invert it. Consolidation above support typically leads to a downside move. And we're seeing that happen potentially right here, right now with today's higher high. Now, it's not quite in the same condition as Bitcoin. Obviously, Bitcoin breaking its highs for the year in the last few days. Total crypto market cap seems to be struggling. And I wonder if the reason is because of Ethereum. Let's take a peek at Ethereum really quick. We're going to get through some charts today. I wonder. Really busy chart. Here we go. So Ethereum being the number 2 market cap clearly represents a large piece of the pie. It has a huge or the most impact on Bitcoin dominance and total outside of Bitcoin, obviously. And this is Ethereum versus Bitcoin. So this is not Ethereum's dollar value. This is how much Bitcoin does it take to buy one Ethereum? And at the moment, that's 0.06 Bitcoin, 0.63. We can see that in April of 21, Ethereum hit a high, did break it again, but has really struggled for how long now? 2 years, 800 days-ish in this range. Lots of people are kind of calling bearish on it on Twitter. Many people are holding out. I have a hard time. I have a hard time being bullish on it simply because it moved up and it's failed to break highs. It's really trading sideways. Now, if we zoom into just maybe the last few months right here, this is a nice little descending channel, and we would expect that to break to the upside, but can it break its high of 21 up at 0.88? I am skeptical. There is a nice little resistance up here at 1.1. I have limit orders still set there. We were looking for that months or years ago. Did not come. That's where I'd be looking to load off if it does happen. But basically, with Ethereum losing ground against Bitcoin being the second biggest market cap, I'm wondering if that is what is holding total down right now. We're seeing Bitcoin diverge from total, as Bitcoin obviously has hit higher highs recently and total has not. That would be my guess. Total does look good though on the day. Money flow hitting a higher low right here. It does look like it's rolling over. Momentum still up. VWAP still up. Daily looking pretty strong for total. Pretty strong. And there we go. The weekly also looking to roll over after hitting a higher low on the weekly as well. We see our lows coming up. VWAP hitting a higher high and momentum catching just below zero. Total does look pretty good. Things look pretty bullish. You guys, if you've been fans of this channel for a long time, you know I've been saying all year for above the 200 weekly moving average on total, I'm bullish on the market. Below, I'm bearish. And here we go. Here it is. Down below us. It's not that far away. But about a 10% move to the downside to that 200 weekly. We're still holding strongly above it, coming off another higher low from a higher high. I mean, breaking the high is really what you would look for here. You would look for something like that. Boom. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. All right, we'll pull Bitcoin back up. Let me see how many votes we got. Let me see what the chat's saying. 215 votes. We just need 30 more votes to open up, but it looks like another long position. You guys, I've noticed a little bit of a bias here. You guys really like your longs. Me too. GRT, I have GRT pulled up. We'll definitely look at it. I've got GRT pulled up. I've got something no one probably even cares about pulled up. Flow, we might look at flow. Comp, we might look at comp. I'm going to take a peek at what's moving on CoinGecko. Let's take a peek here. This has been a really, really interesting few hours, or 24 hours with CoinGecko. It does seem like coins are basically just taking turns, blasting. Maker up huge. AAVE was up on Friday. Compound was up yesterday and today. There's more. There's more. I promise there's more. 232 votes. 17 more votes. And we take another trade. Michael Norris, Gina told them not to trade. Gina, love me, Gina. What's up, 10 pence? Itadaki Masuso, what's up, man? Smash that like. You the man. Keep smashing those likes and subscribes. 10JK, GRT. Yes, we will look at GRT. What's up, Alex Wells? Hakukala. Click on the moon. And 2 red line on top left. What? Click on the moon. I don't know what you mean. What's up, Donato? Holiday since Friday, bro. Apparently. Guys, I don't live a real life. I live a clown life. I don't know what day of the week it is, like half the time. What's up, the classic IT guy? What up, what up? Renee Silva, how you doing? Juan, market's closed early. Yeah, today I learned. Andreas, you only work till midday? Is that why everyone's here? Did you guys have to work today? Not have to work today. No one's working tomorrow in the US. 5 more votes. Let's go. What's up, Crown? What's up, Shannon Carter? How you doing? In Demand. Soul, please. Soul, maybe Soul. What's up, Wick? Wick's good to see you, bro. XVG Crazy, says Mock. Dude, it's a name I have not heard in many moons, the XVG. What's up, Duda, McFly, Sebi, Lambo Rambo, I like that name. What's up, D? Still long on GRT? I haven't gotten stopped on it. Captain Gary, you have a very interesting divergence example for CVD. You want to show me what I found? Maybe I'll show on the stream. Yeah, throw it in the Discord. Jump in the Discord, guys. It's the best way to keep up with our live streams in the community. There's a great conversation going on there pretty much 24/7. And I airdrop sats or Bitcoin to everyone. To everyone in the Discord every live stream. So I'll make you a Bitcoin holder just for being in there. So there we go. We got another one. This is actually this will be our third long. There was a typo. There's a typo. We're going to take another long. You guys really just sticking it to me on these. All right, this one has to be more votes because we got to look at charts and stuff. But this is what we do here. Let's see. I mean, I think we're going to be opening up a fourth short, or fourth long. Is what it is. Is what it is. I like being long, baby. Filecoin up 20%. Pepe up. Oh, man. I don't know if that's a good sign or not. GRT, BitDAO, Frax Shares, Internet Computer. Nothing super spicy in this exact moment, actually. So let's take a look at some of these. I guess we'll look at GRT first, right? What do I like about MarketCipher B? I like that it takes a lot of the indicators that I use anyway. So MarketCipher B is not some magic secret formula, really. I don't exactly know where momentum comes from. The momentum is an indicator, but it's VWAP, RSI, Stotch RSI, momentum, money flow. Let's see what else. Momentum, shorter term momentum. It just basically is a very clean, easy way for me to digest the things instead of using 10 indicators, just cleanly condensed into one. I appreciate that about it. All right, let's look at GRT here real quick. Throw on this trend line. Kind of dancing with the trend line here. It depends on how we really peg it. Either way, it looks like today's daily did breach the descending high trend, but we are seeing a little bit of resistance, a little bit of sellers come in, kind of pushing it back down below. Not the end of the world. Wow, that RSI was bottomed out, son. Weekly MACD showing selling momentum is waning for the third week in a row. MarketCipher B is showing us on the weekly we're looking for a rollover, but I need to see this. Low on the 17th broken. It does look like it's heading for that. Momentum is now heading back up. VWAP pretty strong and money flow pointing up. So that actually does not look bad. Ooh, here we go. And now we found the culprit. Bullish engulfing for GRT, 13.36 cents. I bet that's like exactly where it hit and pulled back. Let's see. Pretty much. Flirting with that line, huh? Flirting with it. Oh, 4 hour. You broke above. You're consolidating a little bit. Your RSI is really hot for how much progress you've made to the upside, meaning you're likely looking at some bearish divergence. 4 hour does look like it's coming back down. 2 hour actually pretty strong. Interesting. 1 hour and a clear uptrend. All right. I probably am still going to look on GRT for some kind of pullback, probably even just wicks, maybe 12-ish cents, something. Some kind of pullback here. But I think it's still going to continue higher. Maybe 11 cents would be the entry. Maybe. Get a nice 618 retracement. That's basically where your resistance was. You see rejections before you took off from it. 0.5 sitting right at the previous high from the 23rd at 11.5. Yeah, 11 to 11.5, not looking too bad. I actually kind of like this chart. Kind of like it. You really just need to break that descending high trend. I got to lock that. Boom. Break that descending high trend. You're looking to retest February's highs of 23.6 cents. Your 0.5 retrace up at 38 cents. That's the target for this trade that we placed God knows how long ago. And your 618 at 62. All really solid places to look to take profit if you are skeptical on the long-term performance of GRT. 23.6, 38.2, 61.8, 618. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Shorting Litecoin, says Madcap Pat. You evil person. Short away, my friend. What's up, Connor Anderson? Sergio Games, Rame T. Breaking news, BlackRock refiled. I thought they already had refiled. Didn't they? Weren't they told that it wasn't sufficient, and then they refiled with Coinbase as their custodian, or as their, like, watchdog or something weird? Something like that. Thought that already happened. What's up, Nomad with Guitar? 1 inch. We can probably look at 1 inch. We'll look at Litecoin for sure, John. Nahal Kunal. Tell you something about BTUSD, whether it's a long or short or not. Whether too long or not. I can't give you financial advice, my friend. We've placed 3 longs today. Oh, I have to place another one. Shite, I forgot. I guess let's just market order this one. Let's market order this one because we're waiting, and that's not entertaining. Let's just market order in. Don't do this at home. None of this is financial advice. You'll lose money. 21. Let's just take really close, just under 31, and we'll be out because we got to get some kind of fill today. 31.2. Let's see. Yeah, we'll just take market, and then we'll take a stop right here. Very, very, very tight. We'll make this one bigger because the stop is so incredibly tight. Boom. Now it's going to go down. But that's okay. There we go. Little rehash of all the trades that we've opened over the last few You Choose the Trade streams. Not going to lie, pretty good. We've done pretty good for just randomly voting on trades and taking them. Pretty good. Mostly longs, as you can tell. Mostly. But we got a lot going on here. There's a lot of stop losses at different levels. There's still many unfilled entries. Let's see, 1 long unfilled. Is there only 1? Did the other one fill? That's not possible. Yeah, only 1. No, we got 2. We got 29.8 still open, and I got a short at 32 still open. Waiting for the market to come to me. 32.22. Oh, this doesn't even have a stop on it. When you have all these positions, you gotta make sure you have stop losses placed. From 30.2, we got that wick down here. Let's just put it right underneath that wick. So 31, 30, 140, something like that. $4 loss if we get stopped. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. All right, I'm pretty comfortable there with those positions. We got 125 votes. We need 350 votes. We got to up the ante to get the next trade. We've taken 4 longs. 3 longs, 4 longs. I don't even know anymore. No shorts. 64% are voting for long still. You guys are on a long mind, aren't you? Oh yeah. Look at this graph, says Nate. We looked at that graph, Nate. We looked at the graph. It does look good. Might not even get that pullback. Nah, still those lower time frames, I'm still seeing some weakness. 30-minute could hold on to hope here. Could hold on to hope. But it really can't go any lower, else it loses it. Then you go to like the 45 in the hour, and it looks really good. So I'm thinking, yeah, this might be exaggerated, but I'm thinking some kind of pullback, likely break these lows to engineer liquidity, stop out longs, bait and shorts, and then move back up. And whether you hit a lower high or continue to a higher high, I do not know. But I do recognize this setup. Send it back. I do recognize this setup. There we go. The graph. AVAX. For wolves, we could look at it. We're long boys, that's right. Short Litecoin. I gotta look at Litecoin next. You gotta look at Litecoin because people are yelling about Litecoin. It's my baby. Let's take a peek. Got a new little resistance. New resistance. This is not the chart I was looking for. Man, I gotta pay someone to just go through all of my old charts and like delete, clean them up. Man, I don't know, dude. Shorting Litecoin is so savage right now. I mean, obviously I'm biased. Please be aware of my biases. I'm biased to the upside. I'm a perma bull for Bitcoin. And so I always favor the longs. But this is rough, dude. This is a rough short. Look at this. These are daily candles. Look at this climb. This beautiful, beautiful climb. In July, you had your low down at 40 bucks. You broke all your stops here right before you moved up. You consolidated above that previous resistance. You dipped, you came back up. You held your low, and then boom, you moved above that resistance again. So it's almost the same move. So maybe in that sense, a short isn't terrible. Maybe it isn't terrible if you're looking for something like this to repeat this price action. I would just be skeptical on holding it. I'd be skeptical on holding it, man. Dangerous, but we like to live life dangerously. RSI looking good. Looking very good. You have to go all the way back here. No, all the way back here. You have to go back 172 days to find a higher RSI. This is the highest point in price. You could say that's bearish divergence. I wouldn't argue. I would say these are probably too far apart to actually be considered bearish divergence, but you could call it that. But you are at a higher high, and you're right above that previous resistance. I don't know. Maybe you're right, not wrong, though. Lord knows. Lord knows. God knows. That weekly, smashing in a new resistance at 113. Right back there, man. I don't know, dude. VWAP's up, momentum's up, and money flow's hitting a higher high on the week. Like, you do have, here we go. So on the day, I wouldn't consider that bearish divergence. I will consider it on the week, though. These are close enough. So that is a valid argument for the bear side. Is despite hitting a higher high in price, we did not hit a higher high in RSI, and that is just classic Class A bearish divergence right there. Higher high in price, no higher high in RSI is what it is. It does have 6 days and 6 hours, so if it does push up, maybe to the 120 level, you might be able to get rid of that bearish divergence, but it's there for now. Even money flow and VWAP and momentum on the monthly, I just... maybe my bags are making me opium drunk. I don't know. Could be. Wouldn't doubt it. 5 minutes rolling over. Boom. Rolling over. 15-minute not rolling over yet. You have a lower low. You haven't broken your low yet. If we do see that money flow come down, that'll be our signal that not 5 minute. Well, that'll be our signal that is rolling over. 30-minute is not yet. Hourly, kind of the same droopiness. I don't know. I'm not actually loving what I'm seeing here. 2 hours, not bad though. 4 hour rolling over. I do not like the amount of time frames that are rolling over. Let's be real. 6 hour even rolling over. Shit. 12 hour in the red, lower. Ooh, maybe I'm. And then you go to the day, and the day looks good. This is a hard trade. That's a hard trade. But I will say this. Well, that's a hard trade. You have an order block on your daily. You made a fair value gap with this green candle up. You've come back and filled it. You have a higher low here. Depending on where today closes, this isn't that bad, especially if it can close above that order block, so above 108.68. It's actually not looking bad at all. If you get a close above there, I would think in the next day, probably in tomorrow's candle, you move back up to 113. It doesn't guarantee you break 113. But if the order block holds a support, you likely move back up to then again, what? Fill your fair value gap. Fill the inefficiency. It's like clockwork. This does not look the best. This is just janky. Where would we even look at this? Something like that. Not the best. Not the best. What's up, Love G? Do SHIB? We could probably... Yeah, we'll look... Oh, SHIB wasn't one of them, but we could look at SHIB for you, Love G. Just because you're always here. Just because we love you. Smash the like. That's right, Pickle. You tell them, guys, please. Smash the likes and subscribes. Engage with the chat. Help the stream. All right, let's clean this up. Tough spot for SHIB, and it was. It was a tough spot for SHIB. SHIB, all right. What's interesting to me is SHIB hit that exact low from September 21. Now, this is on Coinbase, so this isn't the whole history of SHIB. FTX had the longest history, and rest in peace, FTX. Actually, I'm going to get rid of a lot of these. We're going to redraw them. Higher time frames. Actually, that last one was still good. That one's still good. Called the down break. Done, done, and done. All right. What's interesting to me is it did hit this double bottom, trading almost exactly to the same low as in September of 21. And what catches my eye there is we have some other coins that have done the same thing here. We see XVG. Now, these are obviously much farther apart. This was back in 2020, but we have that same kind of double bottom on the month. I wonder how many other coins have this. Hold up quick. Not Flow, not Comp. Not Flow or Comp. That's okay. But a few others. It's definitely interesting. Where did that go? Okay. I haven't looked at SHIB since it closed its quarterly, so let's check out the quarterly. I think, Lovejeet, the first thing that is obvious is that double bottom is pretty juicy. Not only did you get a double bottom on the quarter, you had a double bottom and then the candle pushed up higher than the previous quarterly close when it was tested. Not bad. Not a bad thing at all. It's weird. Like SHIB, this looks pretty decent. And what is it? Pepe. We'll look at Pepe next. Also looking pretty decent, as much as I don't want that to be the case. No, I don't want this meme coin shizzle. Though I will say meme coin stuff probably suggestive of bullish price action. If people have liquidity and the risk appetite to jump into meme coins, usually that's not what we see in a bear market. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. That's so rough, though. 4 months of red. You have this previous support, now resistance at 807. Okay. Okay. Getting my bearings. Holding the 20, honestly. All right, holding your 20. I mean, I can't argue that. I could see something like this being played wherever this 20 is. So if it takes more days, this would come up. I could see a play being made on this double bottom on the day right here. We got too many lines. There we go. Could see a double bottom play using basically that as a stop loss. Of course, like I said, this will continue to climb up unless it comes down there today. So at the moment, this would be the entry. Looking to play, it's actually kind of like a triple bottom on the day. Looking to play your stop below that. That part is going to be the sauce though. Because if you put it right at that double bottom, I feel like you get hunted, but upside target, your risk to reward here sucks. It absolutely sucks to the next resistance. That's 807. Absolutely is garbage. Absolute garbage. Let's play this way. Yeah, all right, back to about 1,000. Nice psychological number. Problem I would say is if you're going to use this, if we're going to do that and say we're going to look for that much upside, then the risk to reward is like 7.6. I think you end up being able to play that differently. Maybe something like that. I could see that play. I could see this play. I like it. Your RSI on the day really bottomed out, double bottom, rolling over on the day. I spent too much time on this SHIBs. I don't hate it. I'm not going to take this trade. I'll be very transparent. I'm not going to take this trade, but it might be successful. And even if this isn't the trade for you, all I hope is that you take any value you can from this. Just seeing how I'd set this up, how I'd look at it, where I'm looking, etc. That's all this is about, baby. That's all this is about. Just under 1,000. Just under 1,000. It's like 1,100. Can even do this and it's not much different. All right, I'm going to leave it like that. I like it. There's your Pepe, or there's your SHIB. I keep calling it Pepe. Speaking of Pepe, let's look at Pepe quick. How many votes do we have? 240. We still need 110 votes. Good, we've slowed it down. That was the point. Let's zoom it out onto Pepsters. Wow. Who expected that? I didn't expect that. Pepe currently on his 4th green month. Was that really only 4 months ago that the whole Pepe shit happened? Wow, that's wild. That feels like a year. That feels so much longer than 4 months. That feels so much longer. Nice. Okay. You don't have much resistance here, actually. Pepe, weirdly, Pepe and SHIB, not looking too shabby. Our positions here, I remember a lot of these, I was like, I wouldn't take these. But positions here got absolutely wrecked trying to play that low. We're going to get rid of them, but we're going to acknowledge that we got wrecked on those. That's clean. All right. Price had very little efficiency here. Almost virtually none on the way up. Came back down. Look at this wick. That is absolutely a fair value gap. That's absolutely engineering liquidity. That's pretty wild. That's right there at that pullback in May, just grazing it. Just grazing it and then rocketing up. That's pretty spicy. That's pretty spicy. Let's get rid of some of these older lines. Okay. Weekly and daily, maybe a little gumdrop here. I don't know if I'm sold on this yet. It does look good. 12 hours rolling over. That's better than almost anything we've seen. Yuck. Yuck. 4 hour might have just gotten rejected though. All right. So Pepe does look very good. I'm very surprised. It looks very good. However, I don't think that right now is the time to enter. If I was to take this trade, I would likely do this. Something like that. Looking to wait for it. And where you decide to wait for it's going to be the variable here. But using our fib tool, connecting our 13.6 low, 18.9 high, we see our golden pocket retrace right there at 15.5. That's a nice psychological number. The stop is definitely hard. I guess I'd probably just take below this low. I think you could be much more conservative with this and instead target this kind of interim low right here. You have a tighter stop. And then, I mean, I guess the only real resistance above, looking at like the weekly and daily, is all the way up here. That's a pretty big upside. It's an 80% move from the retracement right there. Got rid of the wrong one. 80% move. Not necessarily calling for an 80% move. But I like it. Break down, move up. Hourly still in an uptrend. Okay. Lower high on the hour though. All right. Relative strength. Might have bearish divergence, but they're really far away. I don't know if I would count it. Absolutely bearish divergence on your lower time frames. You have that lower high and, oh wait, no, there's a lower high in RSI. You're good. You're actually looking on the 5 minute to paint bullish divergence here with this sell-off. You see RSI basically tanking down to the oversold line, but price not really moving. That is not bad. Wonder if even this could be played. I very much would not take this trade. Very much would not take this trade. But I wonder if there's degens out there that would. Ooh. Just back to the high, you get like a 2-to-1 risk to reward, which is not bad. Up to the 1.618, you get a nice 3.3. All right, those are two solid potential trades. I'm not taking either. I'm not shitcoining right now. I'm not shitcoining right now. So you have like potentially a very impatient trade with a very tight stop, and then a more patient trade with a more generous stop, yet the upside target also much higher. Also much higher. Much higher. Last thing I want to do is this. Nothing really. Yeah, don't have anything else on that. Let's move on. Let's take a look back at Bitcoin. Doesn't look like anything's happened. We did market order, and I think the market order is like right here. right here. Let's refresh this. It seems buggy. Did it fill? Yeah, it filled right here. Of course it filled. It was market. Our stop loss, very, very close. I almost want to consider moving this down just a smidge. Move it down to like right here, 39. Ooh, I hear subscribers. 6664 for no reason. There we go. Modify that stop just a little bit. What's up, Fasal? Sholihuden. Septienorianto. I butchered that name, but welcome, my friend. Thank you for subscribing. Make sure you jump into the Discord. Shout out as well to Clazo, who subscribed, and anybody else I missed, and everyone else who's going to subscribe during the live. It's good to have you guys here. The only channel, the original channel, where you pick the trade and I lose the money. That's right. Look at all these friggin' trades we got open right now. Look at all these trades. It's a nightmare. Do not do this at home. Do not do this at home, but if you do, use one of our sponsors, Fairdesk, FEMX, links in the video description below and in the chat. They are my favorite exchanges I've used forever. FEMX I've used for like 5 years, 4 years, 3 years, 4 years, a very long time. Fairdesk for about a year. We also now have a Fairdesk support channel in the Discord, so if you have any issues, you can talk to my representative live in the Discord in real time. You can ask questions if you have any issues or anything. So it's a nice little bonus perk. We got 296 votes, just 50 more for the next trade. And of course, we're going to open for like the 5th long. Let's go. You sent the example in Discord. Let me see if I can power it up. I don't know where you sent it, though. Where did you send it? You sent it to me? Ah, here we go. Yeah, whatever. We'll look at this. We'll look at it. Okay. This is from Captain Gary in the audience right now. June 19th and 20th. This is on the 1 hour. Bitcoin goes up. CBD perp. Spot. Spot moving below perp price. Perp. Spot. Is there that big of a difference right now? So spot selling not rewarded equals bullish. Interesting. Wait. So let's throw on perps here really quick. Let's do Binance. No, I didn't mean to do that. No, I didn't mean to do that. Undo that. Yes. Okay. No, I don't want percent. I want regular, dude. Right now, there's very little difference, at least with Binance. Oh, CVD. June 18th and 20th. Let's get off the gosh damn 1 minute. All right. 18th and 20th. So back here, I see what you're saying. I was hoping you were also showing us that it was happening right now, but I don't believe that is the case. Let's take a peek at funding. You sent the example. What do you think? Green lines on the bottom show the divergence. Got you. Wait, where did it go? Where did everything go? Where is my life going? There it is. Showing the divergence. I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying. And then this is right now. I got you. I got you, son. So the higher low mixed with the lower low on CVD. All right. All right. I'll take it. I'll take it. There we go. Crypto Fear and Greed is at 62, which is actually pretty high considering. Dollar index up slightly, gold up slightly, dominance down slightly, under 50%. Not really super important, but is what it is. Bitcoin balance continues to drain down. Let's take a look at El Super chart. I was really liking the open interest move here, but it does seem to have cooled down. I wonder why. Open interest remaining high though. Not a lot of liquidations here in the last few candles. I guess that makes sense. Price hasn't really moved. It's just consolidated. I I liked this dump as open interest closed. That's, to me, suggested the dump really didn't have much legs. CVD climbing up there. Actually, we can look at exactly what you were talking about. Let's see. Maybe we can't see it on this one. No, we can't see it on this one. But as this price moved up, we did have short liquidations. We had open interest increase, which meant shorts got liquidated on that hourly candle. However, more positions opened than were liquidated. And that's why we see open interest increasing. And that does suggest to us that traders believe or agree on the prices they say. We have not seen any open interest drop here, though we haven't really broken highs or lows, so it's not to be expected. I was really hoping to see funding flip negative somewhere in this consolidation, somewhere. Like we saw right before, around where Gary was showing us that CVD divergence right here. We had negative funding. Maybe that's even part of why I'm showing that. But I was hoping to get it again, because if we look back on the hour, we see almost every little bottom here was marked by a moment or a few hours of negative perp funding, meaning traders are opening short very strongly, more so than longs. We didn't get that, but I do like this open interest, so I'm feeling all right about it. Yeah, we should have gone live earlier, huh? The spice is like not as spicy. It's less spice. All spice. Let's put on this one because we opened at 30. 66. These are starting to get hard to see in here. Turn down the opacity. Good enough. We have a bunch of trades open. One we market ordered, the other two are not filled. Just kind of waiting on them potentially to be filled as Bitcoin gets shy when we're live. Getting a little shy. Man, that 1 minute does not look good. I've been fooled by this before, though. I'm not sure I trust this. You have the higher highs and your lows coming up, but I swear I've seen this recently where we had this pattern and it did not play out as I would expect. $400 viewers, 270 likes, guys. Can we get 420 likes today? Is it possible? We have 330 votes. We only need 20 more, and God knows what I'll freaking open long on. I don't know where I'll put it. We'll figure it out. Just 17 more votes. You see CVD going down and price going up. I did. I don't know where my thing went. I got too much. Too much going on. I'm going to keep that super chart open. I like that super chart. Kind of sucks that you can't just have that data on TradingView, though. So I need to read more about CVD because this CVD is different. The one on the super chart. Unless, no, it's not. It's right there. I see it. Actually, I see it. You see the low come up and CVD go down, hit a new low, bounces up. There it is. There it is. We should do a different vote. We should do a different poll. Should I go to Vegas this month? I was invited to go to an event. The Femex people are going to be there, but it's by the CryptoROS George. He was like, hey man, do you want to go to my Vegas event? I haven't given him an answer. I don't love Vegas. But I should decide soon because I got book tickets and shit if I'm going. Why do you have the queers chart? What? I thought the month of June was over. Crypto Treasure, I have no idea what you're saying. Up. One of the moderators deleted it. Am I long trio? Baby, I'm always long. I'm always long. Here are the longs that we've placed together during the lives. It's a whole web. But these aren't even all my positions. I've had some longs open for a while. My shorts, I had some really nice shorts too, but they got stopped out. Now I have only like the bare bone shorts that I had before. I feel more comfortable though. I'm not too worried. I felt uncomfortable without the shorts earlier. Now I feel all right with it. 254 votes. There we go, baby. We're going long again. God, man. God, yeah. Where am I gonna put this long, guys? I like how it double bottomed on the 1 minute, right at that market order. We're supporting the market right there. All right, we're gonna just put like a fishing one just farther down, because the fishing ones do fill. They just don't usually fill while we're live. What about 30.7? I like 30.7. Let's do that. Where would the stop be though? Take that low, 30.5. This will be just a cheese play. Back to 31. All right. 30.7. It's 30.4. 0.5. Nice. And we'll do clean 31. 30.7 thousand Bitcoin. I wish. There we go. I can't even like see all of them anymore. I don't even know. This is just like looks like someone who just started charting's like first day. Like, I think I solved Bitcoin. Look at all these lines. All right, we put our fishing order down there. We're gonna go for another one. Here we go. We're gonna go for freaking another one. All right, we now have 4 longs open. Let's make this a big vote. Let's do big short. Long. Big long. Longs and shorts in this will just obviously be combined for the vote. Vegas has many casinos. Yeah, I'm just like not a Vegas. I'm not a casino guy. It's not my jam. You hit the like button on the way back out to take a 420 break. Right on, Gary. Right on. I could use my 420 license as well. That would be very nice. But I cannot 420s while streaming. But I can after the stream if we get 420 likes. So keep smashing them. Keep smashing them. All right, Gary's gonna school me on CBD. We'll do it. We'll do it. It's one of those things. Traders, you have a very deep tool belt. Very deep tool belt, and you gotta add tools over time. Gotta add tools. Is anyone out there that hasn't subscribed? Please do it. Please do it. We need more subscribers. We need your help. Tricky time to trade. I mean, I agree. Unless you're having an audience do it for you. Something I'm noticing here now that we've seen some more candles play out. 5 minute, very clean flat top here with your lows coming up. I like that. That plays well with our longs. I like that. I think we see this. I think we see that. 5 minute RSI staying up, keeping it classy. Party, 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 party. Most don't like Vegas. Everyone says they love Vegas. I don't like slot machines. I mean, I'll play like some cards maybe, but like I don't even really like gambling. I trade all the time. I gamble every day. You grew up in Atlantic City, zero interest in Vegas. I'm not that far from Atlantic City. I feel you though. That's you go down the wrong street in Atlantic City, maybe you don't come back. What's up, CK? Another long? Yup. Don't leave us. No. It wouldn't be very long. It'd be like for a weekend. We're not streaming anyway. Thank God June is over. I agree. F June. July is our month, baby. You'll follow me always, Trio. Thank you. Just make your own trades. Don't follow my trades. Try pants. I'm bullish on pants to all-time highs. Obviously not a serious channel. What's with the glasses and survey trades? I don't know. You're watching it, bro. We've been doing this 4 years. Who are you? Where you been? No charts on the blackjack table. I agree. Boring. Look at Zill. Zeal? Litecoin all-time high tips. Prepare. Ho, 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 ho. Ho, 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 boys. How many polls? This is poll number 5. We're on poll number 5. We've already opened 4 free. We've placed 4 longs. I'm gonna go for 5 if we get enough votes. What's up, Gasper? How you doing, bro? 420, blaze it. Amen, bro. Amen. Get that little 420 thumbs up emoji in the chat. That has more room to run up to Bitcoin 2100. I mean, I agree. That's where I'd be looking. You see Ethereum run, that's where I'd be looking. Any crypto lifers out here? We love Sam. Sam's a personal friend of mine. MJ, go ask Sam who I am. Ask him if I'm serious. Woo, July. AC Truth. What's up, Shrink Tech? How you doing, bro? Kryptonium. Good to see you. Any word on Tomo? I don't even know what it is. I don't even know what it is. July gonna be your month. I believe in you. Bro, you are getting late with your XRP trade. Kunal. Is XRP even moving? Is it even moving? Kinda. Kinda, maybe. Lower highs, higher lows. Symmetrical triangle incoming, perhaps. We got stopped. Lame. Lame. I remember when I placed that trade. When I placed that long box. People were like, that's not gonna fill. That's not gonna fill. That won't fill. Filled. It filled. XRP just continuously does this to me. You have like a nice trade setup and it just goes to your stop and reverses. Dunno. No divergence. MarketCipher B looks good on it. Yeah, actually XRP looks pretty good. It's weird. Almost everything, I swear everything looks better than Bitcoin right now. It's got to be a trap. XRP looks like it's going for more upside today. I don't know if it'll hit 50 cents, but it kind of looks like it's going for 50 cents today. Yeah, I would take that. 50 cents. Just looks so good. But it has looked so good. It just refuses to break to new highs. It pisses me off. Boom! There we go, baby. Are we about to close one of those longs already? We might be. Nice little candle. Has anything changed? 5 minute, really battling it out here. Really battling it out. 15. I don't trust it yet. I don't trust it yet. You have a lower high still. Okay. Okay. Green, green, red, red, green, red, green, green. Where's the one we market ordered? Right here. Should I move the stop on that so it's just like in profit? Although that's like right where price is. Maybe not. $13 minutes on the close. I'm going to wait till the close for any changes there. We sniped it though. We sniped it. Good thing we market ordered. Not really a good idea most of the time, but was then. What's up, bro tip? How you doing, dude? Dominance pumping? Is it? Let me find it. Oh yeah, you know what? This was from Friday. I forgot to brag about it. I don't really brag, but to bring it up. I did talk about it briefly, that 30.2 limit order we put in. 30.2 to 31, money in the bank. Easy peas. Easy cheese. Let's pull up dominance, because bro tip is an OG. And if he says dominance is moving, baby. If he says it's moving, it's moving. Oh, dominance does not look bad. Dominance to me looks like this. Lower high maybe, come down. And then end up going higher. Do have a nice candle. It's still under yesterday's low, so it's not like crazy bullish. Yeah. But it is, what is interesting, what is important here is that is that dominance is basically mirroring Bitcoin right now. And that's what we were seeing previously when Bitcoin was rallying, I don't know, a few days ago. We were seeing dominance moving up with it, kind of leading the way. And it does seem to be mirroring here. You even have that red. It's not perfect, but the idea is there. Come on, get up. Get up. I want my longs to close. Oh, closed. Beautiful bullish engulf. You do have an order block there. I still could very much see dominance returning because you have this beautiful order block on the month. Lots of liquidity from a market stance. There's actually no liquidity in reality because you don't trade this. Although we had that here on the way up, did not come back to it. Maybe it not being traded is important. I don't know, man. I don't know. I wanted to look at XVG, but I don't know if I even have much to say. It's like XVG finally moving on a monthly time frame, up 27%. No, 160%, my bad. 160% this month. This month? So in 2 days. Wow, holy shit. Okay. This is why I wanted to look at it. Up 80% today, 62% yesterday, 80% on the 28th. Like, holy shit. This is such a S-coin, guys. This trapped so many people. In like 2017, so many people got wrecked by this. You do have some nice volume on this climb. I'll take that. Where are all these other lines coming from? Oh, here we go, boys. Here we go. Here we go. Man yelling at candles. Take two. Longs are good, baby. Woo. Let's go. Let's go. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Let's go. LFG, hype it up. Let's no. LFG. There we go. Gina! What have you done, Gina? Let's get that super chart back open, actually. Let's look at our open interest. Also want to see funding. Has funding moved around at all? No, kind of bearish. Funding is neutral, but slightly bearish. Ooh, here it is. Open interest climbing with price. I like it. This was our tell earlier. I went over it a few times on the stream. Went over it a few times. Uh-oh, now it's closing. But we're seeing shorts get liquidated. I want to see longs come in. Let's go. CBDs. Oop. Beautiful. Well done, fam. You were right. Give yourselves a round of applause. Give yourselves a round of applause. You were correct. You picked all the longs. And you were right. Ooh, guys looking for closer to a short. 200 votes, 300 to go. Currently 45% short, 55% long. That's close. Profits time. No, not well done me. Well done you guys. You guys picked them. What's up, Trio? How you doing? Trio, are you subscribed? If you subscribe, I'll look at OP for you. This is hard times for subscribers. We got to be doing charts for them, I guess. What's up, NBF form? Hi, Dan, bro. Good to see you. Gears here. Mickey Law, let's go. Kunal. XRP, is it moving? I said minutes ago, XRP looking for 50 cents today. Nah, it didn't go anywhere. Didn't really go anywhere, but maybe it'll get there. Got 3 alerts. Let's see what they are. Bitcoin crossing 31.2. Come on. Phone, what are these? I guess I could just look right here and not be lazy, huh? Bitcoin crossing 31.2. Maker crossing. That was old, though. I guess that didn't clear. RT, comp, F, comp. Doge got an alert 2 days ago. It's not too exciting, though. Let's go. Let's go. Beautiful. Beautiful. 1 minute, kind of picking up momentum out of nowhere. Probably driven by perps. Nah, they're in tandem. What's up, Error Random? Broing it up for 35 months in a row. What a chat. Fidges Winkles subscribed. Stain Hengen subscribed. Sorry I missed these. I'm not hearing them. Yeah, Clazo, Edwin. Yeah, we got all the peeps. Good to have you, Era. I'm glad you're still here, man. I love the new people that join our channel, but I love even more when those new people to our channel stay and make a home here. We've been streaming live for 4 years. We streamed through the last bear market, through the bull market. We're going to stream through this bear market and the bull market and whatever comes after. We'll be here. Even if you take breaks, we'll be here. Being bullish, being positive and optimistic and such. We'll be here. 427 viewers. The perfect amount of viewers. The perfect amount. Where is Gina? We need Gina. Gina! Chappelle! Chappelle. Mr. Chappelle. Mr. Chappelle. 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 We got like 3 weeks for the next FOMC. Lesai. These trades are looking pretty good. I'm going to put a copy of this into the Discord, just so people can see what we did here today and can see us get wrecked if it happens. It is possible. It is possible. That was a nice little move. Let's see. Into the hourly close. All right, so it was into the close. That's actually kind of nicer. 4 hours, still has an hour to go. I'm liking this candle close, kind of like rounding bottom here. I'm liking that for now. I like your long stop hunt wick, your higher low. We just have to break a higher high. We have to get above 31,281. We traded at 31,250. Close with no cigar. You can see this is coming from the hourly close over here, creating resistance. Rejected. Diamond. And now we're back up. I would like to see this close higher. Nice. Pew, 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 pew. 5 minute actually now looking like that uptrend. I was skeptical. Lots of people. Lots of new people in the Discord. Nice. The Discord in the past has been rather quiet, like a library, but it's become much more fun thanks to you guys. Appreciate it. Keep it up. Everybody's chatting in there all day, every day. Good vibes, good fam, good info. Good stuff. This looks like it wants to go again, doesn't it? Looks like it wants to go again. Got above your high. Back below. 1 minute trending up. Yeah. Yeah. Go for it, buddy. A little bit of spice. Not the spiciest. I was hoping for a little more spice today. A wee more. A wee. A twee. What are you guys doing? What are you doing? Boom, baby. Boom. 242 votes. 420 is special. Ain't that right? Cup or triple tops? Triple tops. What's up, Fish? We'll break it in a bit. I think so, too. I don't know if we'll be live for it. We'll see. We'll see. I think after this hourly close, so in like 2 minutes, we'll have a better view. What's up, Dark Crash 20? Don't forget to hydrate. What a homie. What a homie. Gear says we need Bajarki. Where is Bajarki? You know, we love Bajarki, and he's welcome to come and go as he pleases. But I emailed him a long time ago. Never got back to me. He kind of disappeared. I think he'll return once we're pumping to the moon. Sebi, looking at AAVE. I think I have that pulled up. I think I have that pulled up. Maybe I don't. How to get the Gina emoji? It's just part of like the YouTube membership thing. AAVE is looking good. I remember we looked at this the other day and I was a little more skeptical. I still need to see a high break so we don't have this awful, I'll call it a shoe pattern. Flat bottom, lower highs. But daily is reaching back up there, consolidated above its previous high. Pushing to the upside. Not the strongest climb, but also there are weaker that we've looked at. RSI showing it needs more upside to balance the bearish divergence. To eliminate the bearish divergence. Yeah, you still have that big slab of resistance. It's like 75 to it's 80 or 74 to $84. You can see this on the monthly. Lots of consolidation, breakdown, retest, rejection to a lower low. Without that higher high here, you're really just looking at lower highs with a flat bottom, and you're looking for it to fall. Almost everything is pumping, so a move up is not out of the question. Not out of the question, but you need it for this chart for me to be bullish on this chart. It looks good. This bottom wick shows buyers came in. That's a pretty big bottom wick for a monthly. 25% buyers came in, pushed it up, bullish engulfed on the month. Great. But you also did that here and just then faded for 4 more months. So AAVE, I'll say this, it's on my radar. I'm watching it. But without a higher high, it's just not moving. It's just really not doing much. You still have some unfilled fair value gap down at $30. I'm not even calling for it, but I'm saying without a higher high, that's going to be my target. Without a higher high, that's my target. I hope it makes it. If the rest of the market is any kind of indication, it probably will. Flow, oh god, flow. Flow with the bullish engulf monthly close. Kind of lackluster weekly movement. Little bit of rolling over on the week though. Not a lot of changes there. I remember I tweeted about this when it was at 65.2 cents. Looks like it's broken above on the day, back tested, moved higher. Maybe it does have more short-term upside. If I were in a position on flow, I'd probably be looking for 115. Maybe I would cut it shorter depending. You already had the back test, so this is not ideal. The good trade is likely gone. The good trade. But I could see something like this. It's close to a 3-to-1. You already had the back test on the day. I wouldn't be surprised if you see something like this. Something like that. Hourly close, let's take a peek. Let's hide everything for a moment. Hourly close, nice strong hour. Closing just below the range highs closes. Not bad. RSI tapping over bought, moving back up. Oh, this is looking good. This is looking good. All of the trades. All of our trades. So many trades. The most intense. At 4 hours. Gorgeous now. At 4 hours shaping up. There it is. It's running. There she goes. Let's go. Let's bank. Let's bank some. 58 minutes on the 4 hour. I'm loving this kicker candle. Where's our volume at? Not really interesting volume. All right. Not bad though. We're still within our range. We don't really want volume to appear within our range. That likely will lead to exhaustion. Spot trading slightly below perps right now. If we see it break 31.4 today, I do want to see that volume pump up, but I don't want to see it before. You get high volume on the way up to the high. That's showing people are selling into it. They're rejecting the higher move, and they're exhausting the buying. 15 hit a higher high. Let's go. 30-minute pulling the stops. All right, this looks really good. This looks really, really good. Really, really good. We are now about 1% up price-wise from our entry. Price is still climbing, really beckoning for that 31.4. And where? I think I'd saying take profit at 31. Did it close? No. None of that. No. I guess I didn't put the take profit. Huh? Big 1, 4. What do I want to do here? All right, I'm going to put the take profit here, 31.4. Let's get rid of these like not so good ones. 31, we'll put this one at 32. That's a good entry. I want to keep that one. Can move the stop, or I'm gonna add a stop. Oh. Just a crappy little stop there. It would target, it would, what? It would execute immediately? No, it wouldn't. Oh, that's a short. That's why it's saying that. I'm not gonna put a stop on the shorts, actually. I'm gonna leave that. 258 votes. I don't know if we'll get 500 today. We'll try. Funding remaining neutral, remaining slightly bearish. Ooh, DYDX though. Very bearish there. But BTC.io weighted 0.1. That's basically neutral, just slightly over neutral. Not a lot. Open interest, maybe going to break out on this new hour. That would be very good to see that happen with price. That would make me more confident. That was our big tell back here before this move. Our big tell was, well, open interest came up, shorts liquidated, but interest increased, meaning more positions opened than were liquidated. And that's showing demand, that's showing interest from traders. It's not a bad look. Not a bad look. Ooh, that is a very high volume 1 minute candle. That's not great. Where did that happen? Looks like this got pretty heavily sold into. When did that happen? That's good though, the high volume. So whenever I see high volume in a direction, so we're trending up, we have 3 green candles in a row, we get this high volume green with a wick on top, that can suggest exhaustion. I can say that lots of sellers came in, but it's good to see 2 more candles and closing higher, because that might have been buyers coming in then. We'll see. We'll see though, because now the 15 minute, that's the high volume, and now we have a red, so maybe not. A little lower on the 30. Did that hit the high? Oh, it hit this high. All right. Bwomp, 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 bwomp. Let's go. Let's go, Qual Gamer. Oh, my allergies. Happy 4th. Happy 4th to everyone out there. Hassan says everyone is shorting. Good, good. What's up, Ben Joe? How long will it take? I have no idea. Count NFT subscribed. Let's shout out Count NFT. Welcome, my friend. Welcome. You're in good hands. You found a good home. Not so long. It's going to bounce back, probably. What's up, Kunai? Pat Korean. You're a beginner. You don't know much about charts. Anyone here have expertise? That's what we do. I wouldn't say expertise, but that's what we do here live. 4 years running. Make sure you subscribe, enable notifications, click that bell, but then enable them on your phone so that you actually get them. And you can catch our live TA, and I think that's the best way to learn. That's how I learned. That's how I learned. I'm thinking, what's this, 31.1-ish? Can see that. I might look to move one of these positions up. Like stop here. Wow, wow. Something like this. I'll be cheesy with it. Just like that. Please remember, none of this is financial advice. This is just me trading live, being a degenerate. If you copy my trades, you will almost certainly lose money. Not recommended. The only thing that is recommended is that you pay attention, figure out what I do right, what I do wrong, and improve your own trading. That's the only hope here. And hey, if you like what you see, sign up with one of our sponsors, Fairdesk Femex. Great exchanges to trade on. Help support the stream when you trade there. And you get some sweet bonuses. There we go. IO is up. Boom. Hey, where? There we go. IO breaking higher. That's what we were looking for. Shorts liquidating. Excellent combination. Shorts liquidating and IO moving up. I like it. CVD moved up with the move. Interesting. We saw shorts liquidate there. Doesn't really make sense, but that's okay. It's okay. Pull back. 31.95. I'm gonna real quick just smudge one of these orders. 31. 9. 31.1. Hold up. $31 with the stop where? That's so tight. Okay. Giggity. So tight. Bonus trade. There we go. Bonus trade. Let's see if we can do a little bottom fishing here. Got a bonus trade. We've placed six orders live. Something like that. Ooh, that's not great. 5 minute. Seeing some bearish divergence there on our RSI. Our high came up. Our RSI high did not. Not a great sign, suggesting some reversal. We see it on the 15 minute as well. I don't like that. We see it on the 30 minute. Don't like that. We don't see it on the hourly. All right, that's spicy. The hourly, we see what is this is a class C bearish divergence, where you have a higher high in price, but you have a, let's say, call it a double top on your indicator. This is a bearish divergence. However, it is a weaker bearish divergence. This is not typical. I'll say it's not typical of major reversals or trend killing, but more of a pullback. On the 2 hour, we do have a higher high on our side, so that's fixed as we go out. I like that. 4 hour has so much freaking room. Holy. So 4 hour is absolutely going to have to battle with bearish divergence. We don't have, or we do have, we have our high back here. Our RSI is significantly higher than we are now. So if we get a light move that just touches, grazes like 31.5, and RSI just kind of moves into overbought, but doesn't exceed this high, that's going to sell it for me that we're at least going to take a trip back down to the bottom of the range. We can call that maybe 30.5. That's going to be not a great signal. 48 minutes. But at the moment, we haven't broken the high, so we don't have to worry about it yet. It's only above 31.4. That's a beautiful little 12 hour. Beautiful 12 hour. Be weary. In 4 hours, 48 minutes, I'd be weary. Once that 12 hour closes, it just looks like one of those 12 hours that's going to do this, doesn't it? Like, not necessarily that extreme, but it looks like one of them, unless it closes like up here, 31.5. It looks like one that's just going to like hit a lower high and then like retrace, maybe again back down to like 30.5, something like that. Stopping out a bunch of our longs. No. So far, so good on this. So far, so good. Hoping to get an entry again. Open interest still climbing. I'm still feeling confident in this move then. As long as that's coming up, I'm feeling positive. Feeling positive, baby. Filecoin. That's flow. Boo, BCH, boo. We got stopped. AAVE must have heard me talking about it, saying it has resistance at 74. Look at that. To the minute. Yeah, one little 1 minute candle right there at that exact price point. Effing wild. There we go. Done. It's close. It's close. It looks very realistic that it's going to try to make a run for 84. 84 being the top of this giant band of resistance. That approach isn't bad, though. Hit a high, higher low, retesting that high. You definitely can see something like this happen, where you get that flat top building, your lows come up, you run liquidity, then you move it to 85. That'd be the healthy way to move up, in my opinion. Just gonna look at Filecoin quick. I don't think we've had any new subscribers in like half an hour. No, we have. Sam Stud. What a stud. This stud. Just want to get this stud over here. If you've got a brew, crack it. If you got a J, roll it. Smash the likes and subscribes and join Discord. Filecoin. I do not like this. I do not like Filecoin. Not really as a coin, just I don't like this chart. Oof. You have very high volumes at the top of your range. You had very big sellers come in. Looks like the same thing happened here. A lot of selling pressure. You have the 50 and the 20 weekly moving averages right here at like $5. Right above price. That's going to be a gnarly resistance. Good news being, good news is still here. We see the 200 weekly all the way up at 26.50. Now that's a massive upside. It's like 400%. The good news, if it can actually get its shit together, get your shit together, Summer. Get your shit together, Summer. If you can actually get your shit together, move up above 20 and the 50, close, hold. You have resistance here. You absolutely do at like $9.60, maybe $10 psychological level, we'll call it. $10 maybe. If you can get a close up here, you test 10. If you hold this, you do have a pretty clear path to that 26.50, to that 200 moving average. Remember, price is always chasing moving averages, and moving averages are always chasing price. So they're always looking to converge. That's why when you see something like this 200 is very far from price, it's a safe bet that it will look to return there. Now, it doesn't mean going along here, you'll get there. It'll look to return there. It still could hit a lower low and then move up. But they are attracted to each other. They're magnetic. They're magnetic. I'll look at Filecoin again if it gets above $10. Probably put an alert here for above the 20 and the 50. Stand alert and be done. I think there's more spice today, but I think we caught most of it. We have 350 votes. The price, what I like, because you guys have made it this far, what I like about this whole year so far is that price has been moving up and putting in higher lows, but it hasn't done so in like a euphoric, explosive rally like we've seen in 2019. No giant 40% pump day. No, just slow grind. What that's doing is it's keeping people sidelined. There's no euphoric moment where people buy the top yet. If we see that, and I've been speculating all year, even before this year started, 48K is where I'd expect that to happen. That'll likely mark a local top. Then we might see a 2019 repeat. If we keep climbing this way, Bitcoin can maybe not revisit the lows at all. If it can keep the euphoria in check and continue just this slow, boring grind where it's under the radar, it has a much better chance of actually making it back to new highs. Potentially even this year. I mean, if it keeps doing this all year, we could see it happen. All right. 41 minutes. This is a little indecision candle. I wouldn't be surprised to see over the next hour or 2 hours. Ooh, please prove me wrong by going up now. Prove me wrong by going up now. Do it. Oh, yeah. High RSI catch on the MA. Maybe not. Maybe this 5 minute may have just changed my mind. Sorry, I'm giving you all like car sickness sweeping these charts around. Nah. Still looking for it. Still looking for it. LTC go up? I hope so. Doesn't look like it right now, does it? Doesn't look like it right now. That oversold hit's not great. It's going to knock some of that momentum out. Gotta go down to the hourly when you see that touch. If it holds here, you can have a nice swing rejection on the 1 hour. You have oversold. Rejecting oversold. If we start moving back up, that could be a strong upside signal, but don't see it. Definitely building bullish divergence on your higher hourly time frames. Your RSI's really fallen despite price not breaking a low. That could be good. I don't love this right now, and I want to love it. I want to love it, but I don't love it right now. There we go, corn. There we go. That 5 minute, you had me in the first half. You had me in the first half 5 minute. That has no minor sell pressures, no, but it has proof of stake sell pressure now. We could have an argument, we could have a debate all day, which is worse, which is better. What's up, Curd? What's up, Shadowjacker? How do you feel, Shadowjacker? How do you feel, crypto vibes with math insights and relaxing music? That's quite a name. What do I think about Bitcoin capturing time? Well, here's all the freaking trades we have open or have placed today. These are all the trades we've accumulated over the last you choose the trade days. Mostly long. That would be the sentiment of the chat, though I am bullish as well. We'll say that. What's up, Mock Prime Rib? Mac Prime Match? Mock Prime Rib? My man, Prime Rib's delicious. Do you have a bag of XRP? I do. View on Ethereum. We did talk about Ethereum today. We did. Joined the Discord community, Randy the Chad. Smoking a token. That's right, Mickey. That's right, that's right. We don't have 420 likes, unfortunately. We have 380. Guys, we could get 420 right now with your help. If everybody just takes their finger, puts it on the mouse or their mobile device, just clicks that thumbs up button, we could all have our 420 license for the day. Wouldn't that be great? That'd be wonderful. That'd be such a treat, such a gem. Open interest still agreeing, still looking for more upside on open interest. Shorts closing, but longs taking their place at a faster pace as total open interest grows and shorts get liquidated. Price is being pushed up by perps right now, it seems. Seems perps be pushing price. Perps pushing price. Perps pushing price. Let's go. Let's go. Get there. Get there. Get there. Get there. Get there. Go. Get there. Go. Perps pushing price. That'd be a good rap song. 403 guys. 17 likes and I can die happy, man. Come on. We have it. I believe in this community. I believe in this community. File. Oh, that's flow. I was like, literally hasn't moved at all. Duh. All right. It's not really moving. Not yet. Not yet. I think it's pretty cleared for like $5. It's not a huge move though. Go, Bitcoin, go. Do it. You can do it, son. Don't be afraid. Embrace your destiny. Embrace it. I don't care if we don't get that fill. Send it. So close. What's up, Moggy? How you doing, Moggy? Make it happen, folks. That's right. That's right, Shring. You tell them. What about my short with a stop at 31.3? It gets stopped if we go above here. That's what happens. 31.3 right there. I lose some dollars. I lose some dollary dues. No, don't be shy. My biggest bag dot? Hassan, no. What? What? How did I think that? Gina says she loves me. 420. We got 419. One more. Just one single thumbs up and we get 420. While we celebrate 420, let's also celebrate Atomic Habit. Atomic Habit joining our community. Welcome. to the greatest crypto community, the home of crypto. That can't seem to get that one extra like. Son of a bee. There it is, 420. Everyone can go forth and blaze it. Well done, fam. Great trades. Got 420. Got some new fam members. To the moon, baby. A year ago, I really believed in DOT. Hassan, I don't think you're remembering the right person. What's up, JT? Is that me? It is me. I don't think you're remembering the right person, man. I've had the same amount of DOT for years, which is like not a lot. My biggest bag is and has always been Bitcoin. Because Bitcoin and then Litecoin and then Ethereum. Where's the next big resistance? Honestly, 32K. Honestly, 32K. I know that's lame because we went to 31K. It's like, that's a cop-out. But it's not. It's not a cop-out. It's just reality. It's doom right there. 32. 32. You can even take it from back here. Say this is it. 32. 32. I even have shorts primed at 32 already. And TPs on some of these longs at 32. Bitcoin Cash is making a surprise comeback. It did well. It did very well. I bought some a while ago. I took a long here, got stopped. It's doing good. Doesn't seem to be moving much now, but it did make a meteoric rise above some resistance, and now it's consolidating, so could be good. Could be good. I don't really believe in Bitcoin Cash long term, but I bought some for $100-something bucks. I'll take it. I'll take them gains, yo. I'll take it to gains. Go Bitcoin. Go. Make us stream rich, baby. Make us stream rich. We're trading on Fairdesk, by the way. Links right there. Imagine Capo. Dude, he's still short, still strong, still short from 16K. Poor bears. Perma bears in Bitcoin, man. Poor perma bears. I don't know how they get that way. Actually, I do, but I don't know why they stay that way. There we go. You're supposed to blaze? It's optional, Craig, but you can, yeah. Got our license. There we go. Let's effing go. Run it. Run it and gun it. Let's go. 31.3. That short getting stopped out here in just a second. Let's fucking go. Are we really just going to, like, slap all these trades at once today? I think we will. I think we do. Open interest. Still climbing. Still climbing. Price is still climbing with open interest. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Gotta close at least one of these crappy longs. Oh, I did. Yeah. Did we? Or not? I have so many open, it's hard to like even... 31.4. Ah, so close. It's gonna fill. We're good. We're good. Yes. Embrace. Do it. Get hype. Get hype. More shorts liquidating, but open interest still remaining higher. Can I get it? Can we get it? Spicy, we didn't get stopped out, but we're going to on that one short. I mean, it's a really small short anyway. Go. 31.4, go. 31.4, go. Let's go. Oh, yeah, money in the bank. Guys, we have this choose. You guys choose the trade thing. I will say this. You've only picked long. I think we've done one short ever. But you've been right. You've been damn right. You've been damn right. We've hit like every single trade. There we go. That short got stopped. Rip. Rip. Let's hit this first take profit. This first take profito. I'm going to move this up to 30. Let's move this one into profit. 30. 1. 31.1. All right. 31.1. Yeah, let's see if I have a little more. 31.2. Getting alerts. Is that money? Is that a money alert? Nope, not yet. Bitcoin crossing 31.288. Let's go, fam. Uh-oh. This is what I didn't want to see, though. We are seeing open interest taking a hit here. That's not great. It's still up on the 30-minute. Still technically up on the hour, but down on the 5-minute. This is what I didn't want to see. Shorts are liquidating. That could squeeze us higher, but with open interest dropping, that is not the continuation signal we were looking for. Hopefully that turns around. Hopefully that turns around. It hit that high on the move. Let's go down to the minute. Boom. There it is. Right there. Weirdly, shorts got liquidated on right here. And open interest dropped, meaning longs didn't open to replace them. Though, we do see kind of like a triple top on the 1 minute. I like that. Typically when I see this happen, I expect it to get hit again. That would suck if it just stops right here. Hits our one short. And then just doesn't even play. You know what? Let's be cowardly. Let's be cowardly. 31.278. 31.270. I'm gonna be cowardly and just inch up the stop here on that one. Only because open interest spooked me a little. We're gonna move this one up. 30. This would be like 30. Oh wait, 31.2. There we go. Oh, go. Moving my stops, gotta move the stops. Or else it's gonna drops. Gotta move the stops. Alright, stops moved. Really front loading here. I don't love it, but at least we have this 31.1 here. I don't mind it. No! No. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. We might. Shorts are getting hammered. Do you guys think we're going to break 32K today? I'm kind of getting that vibe now. If open interest just can hold on here a little bit more, it looks like we want to run for it. 31.5, not 32, 31.5. I just don't like that shorts are being liquidated and open interest is dropping. It's just like squeeze, short-lived upside. Ooh, Polygon Matic. Matic up 2.2% on the hour, 2.2 on the hour. Filecoin chilling. All right, fam. This has been some spicy spices. No, I guess 6 out of 10 spices. But it does kind of look like we have more upside to come. So here's what I think we should do. Check out the playlist. Sign up. Start trading on Fairdesk and Femex. Great exchanges. You get some big deposit bonuses there. We've done some great trades again, as always, when you choose the trades. The only original You Choose the Trades channel. Follow me on Twitter. Here's what we're going to do. If Bitcoin breaks 31.5, if it breaks the range today, we're going to go live again. Until then, jump in the Discord. I'm going to have this chart up live for you guys to follow. And if it doesn't break and we reject today and it gets boring, we'll be back Wednesday. I love you, fam. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, jump in the Discord. We'll be live again if we break 31.5 today. It's looking spicy. Thanks for joining me. I love you all, fam. Crown out.